Hi. Hi. I'm here to tell you about rinsing cheese. So, if you must buy pre-shredded cheese with the intention of melting it onto something, you should rinse it. You're going to rinse off all of the, I'll show you. You're going to rinse off all of the potato starch, powdered cellulose, anti-caking agents, which also are anti-melting agents. So yeah, it's cloudy liquid coming out of there. So it's a big effort saver to buy your cheese already shredded, absolutely. But it's not going to melt right. I've seen many side-by-side comparisons. Right, so we're draining it really well. And then I'm going to lay it out on this towel to dry. I intend to make pizza in about an hour. That'll be plenty of time for it to dry, and I can go lie down. No, that's a new one for this channel, isn't it? Okay. Just going to spread it out so it dries a little better, more evenly. Okay. And then we'll make a pizza. How exciting.